Era of the Governess is a story of a woman, Sarah, who becomes the governor of her state. During her time running for office, she has a late-night encounter with James, her public relation man, who she later discovers is the boyfriend of her best friend, Beth. James' aggressive nature was one of abuse and possessiveness, which has Beth scared of her every move as he stalks her after their breakup. A few months later, Governor Sarah finds herself pregnant. The threat of a scandal becomes a tragedy for James and gets covered up to portray a perfect political picture for the sake of Sarah's career, marriage, and unborn child. Beth is relieved as she feels James has simply moved on. For producers interested in this screenplay, I think after the past election, someone like, say, Tina Fey would be great to play the part of Sarah, the governor. I'm Doris Ann Beaulieu from LifeUltimateTest.com. Thank you very much.